Morning, good morning. Okay, as I told you, randomly I'm going to select someone so that he or she may be able to read the complaint letter which we have already discussed and explained yesterday. So the very first name, Ishani. Ishani.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, morning. Good morning. Now read your letter. Read your letter, beta. What was the letter? You remember? Shani Narayan. Have you written the letter? Have you written the letter? What was the question? This was the question, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Rishit. Rishit, have you written the letter? Rishit Ranjan. Rishit Ranjan. Am I audible to you? Oh. Aditya Aryaman, am I audible to you, beta? Aditya Aryaman. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Aryaman. Arsalan. Arsalan.
Yes, ma'am.
So, have you written the letter? Say yes or no. Don't be scared. I'm not going to do anything. I'm helpless. No. Then Arpana. Arpana. So it's disgusting that no one has. So unfortunate.
Ma'am, can I read my letter?
Utkarsh, okay, Utkarsh, read.
Then me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Raghav Sharma, President RWA, C Block, Janakpuri, New Delhi, 28 July 2021. The Municipal Commissioner, New Delhi. Sir, subject, complaint about the park in my locality. Body, I am a resident of C Block, Janakpuri.
Resident of. Acha, हाँ, चलो, okay, okay, continue.
I am a resident of C Block, Janakpuri. From last 16 years, a park which was once a model park is now in a state of utter neglect. Last month, when strong rainfall came, all trees was destroyed. Also, the drainage system was chucked. This has converted the model park into a permanent resting place for animals. Where once adults and children were enjoying became the favorite place for antisocial elements. So, please take prompt actions in order to restore the original condition of the park by instructing Horticulture Department to take the required action so that it can be enjoyed by people again. Thanking you, Utkarsh Verma. Then,
Okay, okay, nice. Okay, but you need to add one or two more lines. Okay. But it's still good attempt, good job. Now who else wants to read? Hare Ram, you want to read your letter?
Ma'am, from Raghav, President RWA Block, New Delhi, to Municipal Corporation, to Municipal
Who did I ask you to write down who?
No, ma'am.
Then why are you speaking to, from? Who asked you to write down from, to? What was the format? First of all, it is important for you to follow the format, layout and format. Why you are making these mistakes? Even if you will write down your nice letters, but you will lose your marks, my dear children. Out of 5, 1 mark. Okay, read the content.
Ma'am, Municipal Commissioner Office, New Delhi. Subject requested to recover the main park. Respected sir, I am hereby write a letter to inform you of the poor condition of the main parks. The park that was once a main model park is now home for stray animals. This park lives in a state of utter neglect. So I requested you to instruct the horticulture department to take action and restore the park to its old condition. Thank you, Utkarsh. Hariram.
No extra additional information, but yeah, safe game you have played. No. Hare Ram, theek hai, chalo, that's okay. But when you will come back to class, I will ask you to add at least 1 or 2 more lines, because whatever you have written in the letter, that is all in the question. But yes, theek hai. Anyone else? Volunteer yourself, because now I want you to see whether you are interested or not. Who wants to read his or her letter? Okay, then let's move to the next question. One more question for you. Now see, this was the model letter. Through this letter, I would like to draw your attention to the miserable condition of the Central Park in C Block area. Once a model park, it now lies in a state of utter neglect. It has become a favorite spot for anti-social elements and a permanent resting place for stray animals. It is already in the question. There is no greenery left in the park. This is one additional information. People use this park to gamble and take drugs. You are supposed to, maybe you can write down that other antisocial activities are being done in the park. There is no place left for children to play and old people to take a walk. This is one additional information which you need to write down in your answer. The Residents Welfare Association has left no stone unturned to do their bit in improving the condition of the park, but all in vain. So these activities are causing a lot of problems to the residents and spoiling the atmosphere of the locality. Okay, children? And then you can make a request. Now, this is today's question. Yeah. Write a letter to the municipal chairman of Newtown, Northeast District about the dilapidated condition of a public monument, requesting him to take urgent steps for the preservation of this valuable heritage. You are Anuj or Anuja, 40 Civil Lines, Newtown. Now, did you notice this question? See, this is also, it's about the public monument. The condition is dilapidated, very bad. So you are simply requesting to take the urgent step, quick step, in order to preserve this valuable heritage. Okay, see, a model letter. Once again, you know that the format is same. Newtown, 40 Civil Lines, Newtown, Delhi. This date is same. Municipal chair, the municipal chair. See, Hariram, I have not written to or for. From Newtown, Northeast District, Delhi. Dear sir, subject is preservation of public monuments. I would like to draw your attention to the deteriorating state of historical monuments in the city. You can also start your letter that I feel, or it's regretful to tell you that the condition of the historical monument in our city is deteriorating day by day. I feel bad, I feel pathetic, it's unfortunate, anything, okay? Because you are actually complaining and you are showing your concern. You can also start your letter with worry and concern. I would like to draw your attention to the condition of the historical monuments in the city. Okay, with a great worry and concern. That's why you are writing. Despite several complaints, no action has been taken till date. Most of the monuments are in a pitiable state. There is no proper maintenance of these monuments. These have not been cleaned properly for years, and there are heaps of garbage laying here and there. People spit on the walls and relieve themselves unchecked. Graffiti is seen everywhere, bringing to the light the scant regard people have for the historical monuments for their country. So, and apart from this, I'm not saying that this is the only way to write a letter. You can write whatever comes to your mind. That how people are even, you know, they are stealing some stones also. Graffiti is a common problem. Then scrubbing, then spitting, then making the place dirty, okay, and destroying. So whatever you have done, you all have been to some heritage places, some where you have seen how people are actually misconduction of this kind of thing. So you all have idea, my dear children, whenever you are writing these letters, use your common sense. Write down the things which you have already faced, you have seen, okay? So this is the way of writing. Now move to next. Sorry, these monuments are last are part and parcel of our culture heritage and need to be preserved and taken care of. Proper maintenance of these monuments should be our prime concern. Now you are simply trying to give a little bit of advice, piece of advice. I hope speedy remedial action will be taken to preserve these monuments. So now this is also yours truly, not faithfully. It's a way of writing letter. Now, as I told you that one question will be regarding to services. Recently, you booked a tour package, which I will send you the question as a homework. Recently, you booked a tour package for Shimla, okay? 3 nights, 4 days, 3 nights package, which was actually promising you including conveyance, sightseeing, hotel, dinner, breakfast, everything. But when you reach there, a lot of problems you faced. Now write a letter of complaint. So simply you will, your address, the manager, any name you can, fictitious, Shimla Tour and Travels. Since you took the ride from Delhi, so Connaught Place, New Delhi, okay. Subject, complaint against the poor services, and then that I regret to inform you that the tour package so and so I have taken on so and so date was in a it was or you can say unfortunate, or it was not up to the mark as promised in the itinerary. Okay, then you will move to next paragraph. Here you will write down all the details, that what are the problems you face there. You so you can write that the quality of food was not hygienic, the room was very dirty, it was non-AC room, although you promised in your book that AC room will be provided. Then the conveyance was another problem. A lot of time was wasted in order to wait for the taxi or anything. Then the proper guide, as you promised, was not provided to you. So whatever you felt when you go for a tour, and simply listen, children, what you have to do, think that yourself in that situation, okay, that if when we go for a tour, okay, what kind of expectations we want, what are the problems we face, and then you will remember, yes, I had gone to that very place, there I felt this, no proper food, no hotel rooms were not comfortable, maybe the tour guide was not present. So just think about it and then use it in your answers. Only common problems which you are facing. No need to write down any extra additional information because you have limited number of words also. 5 marks it is only having. So these are the ideas which you can, and then hopefully, so either you give me 50% of the money back, or maybe help me, whatever. Otherwise, I will never, you can say that, recommend anyone about this entire tour package. Anything, you can give a threatening also if you really felt bad. You can ask for the refund, you can ask for the another package on 50% discount. So it's up to you. Common sense. Fine, children. So these are the various types of letter which can come in your exam. अभी और discuss करेंगे when you will come to for offline classes. Till then, I want to check this. Now be ready with your pen and paper. अब ready हो जाओ because first of all
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
important for me to check. See, MCQs, that's very important. So that's why I'm giving you these MCQs based on your direct and indirect form of speech. Now choose the correct option. Question 1 is Nancy said, I may leave tomorrow. So you have to take your time and choose the correct option. Chalo, start your work. You all are solving the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Only 2 fellows. Raise your hands, those who are really solving all the answers. Because I will find it out. Okay. Chalo, ठीक है, good. Because I just want to check that how much practice is required for this narration. It is going to come in your exam for 3 to 4 marks. Sorry, children. Trying to remove this.
मैम 5 वाला नहीं हुआ मुझे।
Rahul said I will manage here after. Easy one. Choose the correct option and write down the correct statement also, if possible.
Ma'am,
Yes, done. 1 minute. Trying to
what should I do?
okay. Question 11. Priya, I will show you question number 5. Give me, then we will go back to that question. Only 20 questions I want you to come today because we have to discuss answers also.
हो गया माँ.
Yes. Now let's get back to question number 1. Yeah, Priya Bharti, you wanted to see question number 5? Why am I unable to remove this? Okay, let's discuss the answer. Now, Nancy said, I may leave tomorrow. Tell me the correct option.
Nancy. A, ma'am.
Very good.
Nancy said that she might leave.
You might leave the next day. Okay.
Next day. Yes.
Kesav said, Rita is busy right now. Option?
Ma'am B.
B.
Ma'am B.
Very good.
Ma'am, B.
Kesav informed that Rita was busy then. Very good. The teacher said, you are suspended.
Ma'am D. The teacher exclaimed that I was suspended.
C. Question number C and D, the teacher informed me, but since object is not here, so the teacher exclaimed or inform that I was suspended, but instead of exclaim, you should be informed. Not exclaim, this word is not appropriate. Anyway, he said, I have been a great mentor.
Ma'am, A.
Please.
That is very clear. I have been simple form formula that present continuous will change into, sorry, present perfect continuous had been, okay.
Past perfect continuous.
Yes. Vidushi said, we went for a summer trip.
Ma'am, C.
Yes, we went. So it is a simple past sentence. Simple past will changes into past perfect. So Vidushi said, option C, that they had gone for a summer trip. Rahul said, I will manage hereafter.
Ma'am, C.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
Rahul said that
he would manage thereafter. Yes, please keep on checking your answer. Questions. I'm going out tonight, Manisha said.
Ma'am, B.
The rest of the students are sleeping. Manisha said that she was going out that night. Yes, option B. The guard asked, who are you?
Ma'am, D. The guard asked who I was.
Who are you? Who I was. Okay. Ravi said, the concert ended yesterday.
Ma'am, C. Ravi said that the concert
Yes,
had ended the
Ravi said
previous.
that the concert had ended the previous day. Very good. C said, bring a glass of water, please.
Ma'am, B. C requested me to bring a glass of water.
Please is here. So, अगर please नहीं होता तो answer हो सकता था. She commanded me. Okay, commands
Yes,
to me,
ma'am.
ordered me to. But since it is very clear, she is using please, so it's very easy to know. She is requesting. He said, let us have dinner here.
He proposed that he has dinner there.
Yes, proposal. So it was a proposal. He asked if he wished to, that is okay. Sentences are correct, but not the way. The salesman said, are you interested in the scheme?
Ma'am, D. The salesman asked me if I was interested in the scheme.
Very good. C said, shut the door.
Ma'am, B. C ordered me to shut the door.
Yeah, she ordered me to. C said, they will be leaving soon.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, C. C said that they would be leaving soon.
Okay. C said that they would be leaving soon. Alas, it can't be this bad, he said.
He exclaimed that sorrow that the couldn't be that bad.
Yes, A. The teacher said the wind is a renewable energy source.
Ma'am,
The
B.
teacher said that the wind is a renewable energy source.
Yes, because it is a universal
Natural
truth. Very good. The secretary said, is Mr. Fisher in his office?
The secretary required if Mr. Fisher was in his office.
Inquired. Secretary inquired if Mr. Fisher was in his office. The policeman said, don't cross the speed limit.
Ma'am, the policeman forbade me to cross the speed limit.
The policeman. See, this answer, both the answer can be correct. A and C also. The policeman said not to cross the speed limit. The policeman forbade me. Forbade means to obviously say no. But here again, I will say that if the question will be like this, confusing, so two options ho nahi sakta hai, so you will go for the best option. The policeman forbade me to cross the speed limit. Richard said, I must attend the meeting.
Ma'am, Richard said that he had to attend the meeting.
हाँ?
Ma'am, A.
इसमें तो ये है ही नहीं. हाँ. लेकिन होना तो चाहिए. Richard said that he must attend the meeting. ये भी हो सकता था. But यहाँ अच्छा किया है. The options are so incorrect that the only option left is that he had to. must change it into had to, but it is not compulsory. The answer can be also like this. Richard said that he must attend the meeting. Okay, children? Fine. So,
Ma'am, the
but
correct
see,
option is
other options, no, but this is the best option. But the answer can be like this. Richard said that he must attend the meeting. That is also
yes, ma'am.
correct.
Option C is also correct.
She said, what a beautiful view.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am,
C.
D.
He
He
claimed.
claimed that
Ma'am,
the
He
view is
D.
claimed that the view
Ma'am,
was
D.
beautiful. So basically, what is the purpose? That you have to choose the best option. So sentences like that sentence can also come in your exam where it will create a little confusion.